golly gee, the water doesn't seem to be coming up, even though I plugged it in and it sounds like it's running. What do I do? I guess I can like take it off and look at it closer.
Take it off and take it apart. It often means there's a rock or something in it.
Ooh, ew. Yep, there was definitely something in there. That part, this part. Yeah, there's a little bit of junk in there. Rinse that out. And put it back together. Well, maybe I'll just turn it on to make sure that it spins. And it does. Together. Make sure the vent is open. And then put it back in.